How to fix the LG error code CH32. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, let's understand what does LG error code CH32 mean. It indicates that the discharge temperature of compressor 1 is too high. This issue is often related to insufficient or leaking refrigerant or malfunctioning discharge temperature sensor. So how can we troubleshoot and fix this error? First and foremost, you need to check the refrigerant state. Use the LG display to check the state of the refrigerant. Inspect the indoor unit EEV. If it is open, this indicates that the refrigerant is likely insufficient. Verify the degree of superheat, which should not exceed 5 degrees Celsius. Measure both the low and high pressure levels. Ensure that the pressure values are within the recommended range. If they are outside the target levels, it suggests insufficient refrigerant. If the discharge temperature is too high, it could also indicate insufficient refrigerant. Examine the associated pipes for visible damage or bending and replace any damaged pipes. Remove the front panel of the outdoor unit to access the control unit. Ensure that the discharge temperature sensor is correctly positioned. Measure the resistance between the black and the purple resistors and confirm that it matches the discharge temperature. Also check the voltage, which should read 5 volts. If there is any discrepancies, the sensor may be damaged or need replacement. However, if you cannot resolve the issue like this, you have a document whereby you can find your findings and contact a professional technician for the further assistance. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.